just finished getting our campground set up for the week. We are here in Hilton Head for 5 days, and we're currently walking over to the front office because, lo and behold, the piece we needed to fix our bathroom door has arrived. Thank God.
Yes, I don't know if you remember that our handle broke with like
back in St. Petersburg.
3 sites ago, maybe?
Yeah, it was about 7 to 10 days ago.
Yeah, so we're really excited. We can now close the door to the bathroom.
A little bit of privacy.
Much needed privacy.
Absolutely. So we're gonna go get that thing installed today, and hopefully have a little bit of peace. So we just got the box back, just opened it up, took out the contents, and this is everything that they sent me, which is great, but really this is the only piece I really needed. This is the old one here. As you can tell, this is the part that does not retract. So unfortunately, $100, 25 of that was shipping, but $100 just to replace this one piece. So here's the new version. As you can see, works rather well. This all jammed up. What I think it was is this little spring that's right here. Looks like you must have cracked or broke or something, but does not want to retract. So let's get this thing installed. We can get some privacy. Today, we are knocking off one of our bucket list summer items. Surfing. Let's go.
Good time?
Oh my gosh, it's kicking my butt though. It is 4 o'clock. We just finished eating a wonderful lunch over at Hudson's. Great fresh seafood. We decided we we're gonna check the weather report because tomorrow we are supposed to head to Charleston. Well, looks like it's gonna be pouring rain tomorrow. So we've decided we're gonna try and pack everything up in an hour, make the 2.5-hour drive now so we can get there, get set up tonight, avoid the rain, hopefully sleep in a little bit tomorrow, and then maybe it'll be smooth sailing. So I'm putting these guys to work, and we have 1 hour to get out of here. Made it within an hour. We actually were able to pack in about what, 20-30 minutes?
Yeah.
So it actually went really quick, but I wanted to do some last minute filming around the campsite just so I can kind of give you guys a layout, and that way if you're interested in checking out this wonderful resort we were at, you guys have a little bit of a, you know, a guide, if you will. But check it out, 5:07, so close.